Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a custom position in a table in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now I have already opened my presentation and already open a table. Firstly you have opened a table. Now I am already open a table. Now firstly drag and select the table, and here you can see here are arrange menu. Now click the arrange menu. Now you can see here are position option. Now I'm edit this and custom the table position. Now firstly select all and you can write anything, any number. Now I am write 5000 and press enter on your keyboard. Then side and select all. Here are I am write 200. Sorry, here are 500 and here are 200. Now I am again custom another way, another this. Now for either 400 and press enter on your keyboard. Now here 100 and press enter on your keyboard. Now you can see make custom position in a table in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.